The Suzuki NG 125 2026 arrives as a bold step forward in the lightweight motorcycle segment. Known for reliability and everyday usability, the NG 125 is now expected to come with big power upgrades, big changes in design, and a fresh identity for the new model year. This motorcycle is built for riders who want efficiency, strength, and modern styling, all in one smart package. New look, new design philosophy. Suzuki is preparing a completely refreshed look for the NG 125 in 2026. The design is expected to be sharper, more aggressive, and more modern than before. A redesigned fuel tank, updated body panels, and a cleaner tail section give the bike a sporty street presence. The new graphics and color options aim to attract young riders while still respecting Suzuki's classic simplicity. Big power in a 125cc class. Despite being a 125cc motorcycle, the Suzuki NG 125 2026 focuses on delivering strong and smooth power output. Suzuki is known for tuning engines for real-world riding, and this model is expected to offer improved throttle response, better torque delivery, and refined engine performance. Whether in city traffic or on open roads, the NG 125 promises confidence and control. Big chain, stronger durability. One of the highlighted upgrades is the big chain setup, designed for better durability and longer life. This improvement enhances power transfer and makes the bike more reliable for daily use and long-term ownership. For riders who value low maintenance and strong mechanical parts, this is a major plus. Engine efficiency and reliability. Suzuki's reputation for engine reliability continues with the 2026 NG 125. The engine is expected to be fuel-efficient, low-maintenance, and environmentally compliant with updated emission standards. This makes the NG 125 an excellent choice for commuters, students, and riders who want dependable performance without high running costs. Improved comfort and handling. The Suzuki NG 125 2026 is designed to offer a balanced riding posture, making it comfortable for daily rides. Improved suspension tuning, a stable chassis, and lightweight handling help riders feel confident in both urban and semi-rural conditions. Its manageable seat height and easy control make it suitable for both new and experienced riders. Modern features for everyday riding. The new model is expected to include updated instrumentation, possibly with a digital or semi-digital meter, improved lighting, and enhanced safety features. These modern touches bring the NG 125 in line with today's expectations while keeping the bike simple and user-friendly. Built for daily life and long-term use. The NG 125 has always been known as a practical motorcycle, and the 2026 version strengthens that identity. With its new design, big power feel, strong chain system, and trusted Suzuki engineering, this bike is built for everyday challenges and long-term reliability. Trust the launch, Suzuki's promise for 2026. Final thoughts. With big power attitude, big mechanical improvements, and a fresh new design, the Suzuki NG 125 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting 125cc motorcycles of the year. It stays true to Suzuki's legacy while embracing the future.